Okay, border crossing, let's see, 1, 2, 3. This is the third one. This one goes into Hungary from Serbia. Over there on the left, there's a big truck border crossing. Google took us this way because we're camping right on the other side of this. And it's very tiny. But we'll see how this one goes. Border crossing from Serbia to Hungary. Hey y'all, we're Tim and Tammy, and we're from Fargo, North Dakota, USA. We got married in 2020 during the height of the pandemic. While planning our honeymoon, we discovered that we missed travel so much that we decided to sell everything we owned and travel full time. We moved to Turkey to buy a camper van and traveled to 100 countries in our van with our 2 kitties, Gunther and Maisie. Join us as we take you around the world and show you the real van life adventures. The good, the bad, and the ugly. Well folks, worst case scenario has happened. We have to take the van on a tow truck to a shop that he says was about 4 kilometers from here. It's a nice tow truck, so hopefully this is a good company. We don't even know. The owner of this place called him for us, which was really sweet and nice. We had a great stay here last night, and this morning just did not start. So this is us. This is the hotel. There's the pool tables are over there. There's a bowling alley right there. And then if you go in there, there's a hair salon. Down that hallway is this massage therapy. Outside is a steam room and a hot tub. And then right next door is the big pool area. And this is the big restaurant area. And I'm not going to go in and show you, but I'll show you from outside. They have the big, huge buffet. Hi.
Hello. We had the margarita pizza, and we ordered margarita pizza.
Well, I did.
Yeah, I don't know what I ordered.
Chicken barbecue or something?
Barbecue chicken pizza.
Yep.
I figured I'd try it just to be different.
Yeah. This place is really cute. It's a little hole in the wall. And you have to really go to MapQuest to find it. Okay, guys, pizza's here.
That's a barbecue.
That's barbecue. It looks like a dessert pizza from here, really. And then this is the margarita. Looks nice and soupy, like margarita's supposed to be.
It smells so good.
I know.
Hi, we're still in Szeged, Hungary, obviously, and we were hungry, so. For pizza tonight, Tammy got a margarita pizza. I got the barbecue chicken. It is really, really, really good. It costs, and 2 Cokes, 75, 60, 14, however you say it, 14, which is about $14.16 American. And you see how big the pizzas are. So, yeah, very good deals in feeding us. So,
Yeah.
did you want to say anything or anything?
No, it's just called Margarita Pizza is the place. Margarita Pizza KFT. It's right off the park in the center of Szeged. So definitely come here and get some pizza if you're in Szeged. There goes the little train. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Here comes the tram. All kinds of transportation in Szeged. Yeah, we just saw this pet store on the side of the building next to where we're staying. Look at that coral. Turn a corner, find a train. Seriously. Just found a train. Crossing the mighty Tita River. Look at a pterodactyl. I'm pretty sure that's a pterodactyl. Look at this. This is an amazing building, you guys. It's so massive. Wow. And the kids are playing in the water over there. That's so cute. Full bore. Ah, I'm getting wet. I'm misting. There. Good morning.
Morning.
Look at this place, you guys. This is where we're having breakfast. I feel like I'm in a palace. Hurry.
The little metal rings are still there where the carpet was on the stairs. That's kind of cool.
So they would put the carpet down and then push it into the corner and then put poles down in there to keep it down. That's neat. One of the places we really wanted to go. This is the Hero's Gate. And we want to show you this from right in front. This is the Hero's Gate. So you see all these gorgeous buildings that we've been filming, but some of them it's just sad. I mean, if you look up there, all the windows are broken out of the towers. The roof is in disrepair. This building's empty and it needs to be fixed. This is so historical. Please fix this building. A cute little dessert shop across the street, and then we were looking. This building has a plaque on the inside that says 1789. I don't know what the rest of it says. And then you turn and there's that beautiful church. Isn't that stunning? Holy moly, look at what's next to it. Wow. That is a lot to look at. Wow.
And the black house is that way.
Look at the, you can walk around on almost every one of those little balcony things. They all have little walkways. That's crazy.
So here's where Tammy and I are pointing ways.
Bye. See you later.
She's going back to the hotel. I'm coming around the corner to go see that church right there. And then try to get back to the hotel before that hits.
Yeah,
Bye.
that's why I'm
Be
taking
careful.
the gear with me.
Yep. Bye.
Bye. Don't get rained on.
I'll try. O'clock. I don't know how well you can see that. I'll get closer. It's cool entry right here.